And in August, we all need protection from the heat.
Yes.
And I mean all of us, even all the way up north, they're going through a heat wave as well.
Yes, that is true. Heat advisories all the way up into the Great Lakes region, but also that's where the storm track is, where we can use some rainfall. That's also where some strong thunderstorms have been, and we had some tornadoes that touched down a bit earlier today just west of Chicago. These storms weakened right before they begin to move into the very populated area. Let me show you the storm reports here from the last 24 hours. You can notice what they have seen through this afternoon into this evening. Certainly a lot of tornado reports over this area. The Weather Service will be investigating as the storms moved into Chicago tonight. They did fall apart. We have some video to show you. I want to show you that video here. This is coming in from just west of Chicago. It's about an hour or so away, just west of there. This is in Cortland, Illinois. A bigger city is DeKalb. DeKalb is due west of Chicago. Notice the tornado that's touched down here. This is from our sister station there, WGN in Chicago. This tornado certainly on the ground. You can see some of the emergency vehicles there. Watch what happens here with this tornado. It gets behind the pole there, and then it looks like it lifts up for a brief moment and then comes right back down. So you can clearly make out that we had a tornado that touched down there. Several tornado reports, and the Weather Service will be watching for that and getting more information. They've got another risk of severe weather there, plus the heat, as Casey mentioned, for tomorrow. Back here at home, it's been about the heat once again today. We reached the lower and the mid-90s this afternoon. The heat index was around 105 to 108, and I think what made things slightly better was the southwest breeze that was rather gusty at times, and we still have that breeze right now, and that continues to pump up rich Gulf moisture. Look at our dew points, lower to mid-70s, even a few upper 70 dew points down in deep East Texas, and you combine that with that southerly wind that continues for tonight. That means the temperatures are not going to drop much more at all. Right now, we are into the lower and the mid 80s for us, a couple of upper 70s, but don't expect us to drop too much more. I think mid 70s is where we will start tomorrow, and tomorrow afternoon, mid 90s area wide. The wind does relax just a tad. Instead of it being up near 20, we'll go southwest to the southerly direction, 10 to 15 miles an hour. And the heat index tomorrow could briefly touch between 105 to 110, especially between about 1 o'clock and about 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We are continuing to watch potential tropical cyclone number 6. This is the newest storm that we have in the Atlantic Basin. The latest update from the National Hurricane Center showing winds at 35 miles an hour, gusting to 45. It's crossing the Leeward Islands at this point. Notice where it's headed to next. Haiti and the Dominican Republic strengthening a bit more in the next 24 hours, still at a moderate tropical storm. Then we have land interaction. Once the storm becomes tropical storm, it will become Fred. But we'll have to keep an eye on it as we get to the late week and weekend. Maybe potential impacts to the East Gulf. I think at this point, we're not looking at much impact here to East Texas or the Texas Gulf Coast, but we will have our own rain chances that could increase here by the weekend. You'll notice that on the 7-day outlook that temperatures will rise a bit more. We are looking at the upper 90s and getting close to near 100 perhaps as we get to about Wednesday and Thursday. That's as lighter wind continues to move on in. You'll notice that there with more sunshine. Then beginning Friday, clouds pick up and we have these spotty rain chances starting Saturday through next week. Hopefully we get more rain opportunity that will lower that thermometer. Deep East Texas, you can't rule out an isolated shower, but it is hot and humid as we go through this week.
All right, Marcus, thank you. Coming up in sports.